Let's see what my dad's trying to do. Let's see what he's talking about tonight. Ready? Oh my God. Let's go, y'all, man. We're back here with another video, and today, as you guys can see, I'm in the M2, and if you guys can see ahead of me, I got the M4, and my dad's in the M4, and right now, me and my dad are going for a nice little night cruise, man. It's gonna turn into a lot of fun. I can feel it in my bones, bro, so y'all just stay tuned. Everything that's done to both of the cars, this performance-wise is stock other than the springs. It just has springs and then appearance mods. The M4 has a carbon fiber hood, a carbon fiber trunk. It also has lowering springs and spacers, obviously. And then it also has a stage 1 tune on it, a custom tune. So it's making about 550 to the wheel, about 700, damn, that thing's moving, about 700 crank. So, you know, these cars are definitely moving right now, man. So hope you guys are enjoying all the content. I hope that the camera angle is good. If it is, just please let me know. I'm really curious to know, because I don't want to be looking up too much. So I want you guys to be able to get the full thing, which I think I got it just about perfect, so that's a good thing. But yeah, man, we're about to get underway. He's spitting them rocks at me, man. What the fuck? That thing spits them badly. My GoPro's fully charged finally, so I have a GoPro for you guys to be watching, so that's cool and exciting. He just smacked me with another rock. I might just have to sit a little bit behind him. I don't know, man. This M2 gets moving with that M4, even with no tune. I think this thing with the tune might be a bit of a scary car, bro. All I'm saying is, man, when I'm tuned, I know nobody wants any smoke, bro. Nobody wants smoke with my car when it's tuned. Right now, everybody trying to get their clips and everything. They're trying to fucking get all their shit on us and whatnot, but we stop that shit from happening. That was James, bro. Crazy. He's a real one if he turns around right now. No cap. All right, guys, we're about to be on the highway. I do have word that it is going to be a nice, fun time. I was talking to my dad. Can confirm it's going to be a good time, man. As you guys can see, we have teleported out to the Autobahn, man. Pretty cool, if I do say so myself, man. Let's see what my dad's trying to do. Let's see what he's talking about tonight. I know it's windy, but y'all just gotta deal with it, man. This shit's sick. $60. Dusted to 100. Holy shit. That was bad. Holy shit. He dusted me. Ready? Oh my God, he just gave me the word. Oh my God. Woo! Wow, bro, racing my dad on the fucking Autobahn. Stop playing. Yo, I've never been happier in my life. Oh my God, I'm smiling. You just see him smiling past me? Yo, what am I doing? I'm outside with my dad, bro. Holy, that's so insane. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. It's just too much fun. Yo, he's bugging. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? Yo, he's moving that thing, bro. Wow, man, this is so amazing to me, bro. Like, me and my dad, and we're taking the next exit. Stop playing with that man, bro. We are on the Autobahn, and for the first time ever, there are people in the way on the Autobahn. Imagine. Crazy. Let's see what my dad's talking about. I had to pass my dad. Stop playing. Let's see if he follows, man. Let's see if he follows, though. Oh yeah, he's following. Big following. Stop playing with my dad. My dad cutting up with my dad now. Yo. It's like, nah, not with my dad. This is all AI generated. My dad will go fast, but I don't know, he has too smart of a brain to go faster than, like, you know, anything really bad. He's gonna come flying by, I bet. Let's see. Here he comes. Let's see if he wants to race it again. Oh, trying to play catch up. Why is he getting in front of me? Dude, that was fun. That was fun, bro. Wow, that was insane. I hope you guys saw that, man. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that, dude. That thing is so nice looking, bro. This is gonna be such a fun video to edit. I wish I put the 360 on like the back of this car or something. I should have. It's not charged though, that's the only thing. Oh my God, my intake sounds so good right now. I know my dad's like, nah, you're tweaking. I know he is. It's too much fun, man. If he comes up here, I'll let him get in to the lane. He probably won't. What was that? Some type of weird shit just passed us. No cap. Oh, do we have a fender bender, bud? Look at that, W play. He gave me the thumbs up. You guys hear the burbles? Hey, let me know what you guys, look at, there's some road rage. This is actual road rage right here. Look at, this is actual road rage, bruh. They're tweaking, bruh. That shit was tough, bruh. I don't know if that was road rage. It looked like road rage. Wow, that thing was spinning. Yo, that shit is crazy. We just passed James again, bro. That's how quick we got over here. He's probably like, wait, what? Yo, if there's any waves, man, I need people to start hitting me up in Jersey, man. Dirty Jersey. Whew. Let me stop before I get a ticket. It's like, nah. Whew. Damn, this thing fucking rips. I know my dad is gonna be like, Joey, relax, man, relax. Stop driving like a madman on the roads. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this content. I'm loving making it. I'm enjoying the fuck out of it. And yeah, it's just so much fun to be outside with my dad, man. Like I can't get that across enough to you even more. But now I was pointing at bro's truck back there, man. I thought that there was some road rage, but I was gonna say that's a clean ass truck to be road raging, bro. Like why would you want to road rage that shit? You feel me? That's what I'm not understanding. Now we got my dad. My dad looks tough in the fucking M4, bro.
Oh, hey.
What?
You're not coming back out this way, are you?
I don't know, maybe.
All right, if you do, if you can take out like that post or the kennel road.
Yeah, yeah.
Take it out this way. They're gonna do like slurry.
Okay, cool.
That shit on
all right, thank you. I appreciate it, man. Right. Have a nice day or nice night. Stay safe. It looks good if we're driving. Yeah, I'm sure. That thing looks crazy, Dad. You were ripping. I know, that's what's crazy. You were going like you weren't even, Dad, you smoked me. I know, like I'm telling you, that thing is a lot faster, right? It moves. All right, go ahead, I'll follow you. Okay, yo, real quick, I remembered what I was gonna say a long time ago. If you guys want me to put like a microphone cam on the back of the car, I can. And I can play it in like, I can put it in perfectly and shit. Listen to the intakes. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear them. Maybe not, maybe that had too much howl to it. What about this? Oh yeah, did you guys hear that, bro? It sounds so good. My dad's probably gonna go slow. We've had a few deer encounters in our lives, man, and those are scary things. They will take your car away from you quicker than you can even imagine. Any animal for that matter, not even just a deer. As you guys saw last video, I broke my lip already. Imagine. Oh, yeah, I'm on that, yeah. Just kidding. He's probably holding us back for a good reason, to be honest. I don't want us to crash our cars, man. That'd be sad. That'd be sad, sad, sad. That was smooth. My dad just opened that shit for me. I'm gonna just pull right in, and then I'm gonna get some nice little video of the cars. And I'm gonna be straight vibing in this thing, bro. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this video on my phone. So yeah, we're hopping off the GoPro. All right, man, as you guys saw, I'm switching back right now to the phone and everything, to my camera currently. But let me know what you guys thought of that whole drive, man. That was so much fun. Literally, it's insane driving like that with my dad. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the M4 because I didn't really even show you guys the cars before we left. So yeah, as you can see, the M4 is sitting nice. It's on the adjustable springs, M Sport springs. So they're aftermarket, if you will, but they're OEM. It's on spacers. As you can see, it's just got the nice black sapphire metallic. It's got a nice carbon fiber hood, sitting real nice in the front. Over to the back, we got a carbon fiber trunk on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and just sign off here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed the cleaning of the cars, the racing around with my dad, which was performed on the New Jersey Autobahn. It wasn't performed in New Jersey, but it was on the Autobahn section called New Jersey. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna sign off. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.